What's up, graphic designers? This is it. We're down to the last 3 days of the semester, and let's take a look at our final exam project's learning target, which says I can identify a visually compelling poster from a professional source and reimagine this original graphic design using PNGs of LMU athletes by taking advantage of blending modes and all the tools and techniques I learned throughout the course of this semester in Mr. Joe's Photoshop class. Whew. All right, so that's a lot. What does that mean? Well, I know that we have the B-Ball Boys PNGs. These are the cutouts that periods 5 and 8 created in Tuesday's class. There's 30 some odd visuals in here. You guys did an excellent job with these PNGs. So you guys are going to cut these out, identifying athletes of your choice, and there's just so many to choose from. Um, Lots of museum athletes, right? All right. Additionally, there we go. Cameron looks good. Additionally, we've got the boys' schedule. We've got the blank that you're going to choose from. And what should you be aspiring for? Well, here's an example of an A plus. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to submit the original visuals. So you're going to download it from Pinterest or another source, and then you're going to include your rendition, your version, and it doesn't have to be matched up perfectly, but there's got to be some some parallel between the two. So here's another example that Jacob created last year. We've got this Purdue athlete with the shape of the state, and similarly, we've got Seth's going up for a dunk in the state of New York. We've got the schedule, and then here's another example by Zoe, and I really like this one because it utilizes a lot of the athletes in the squad. So here, she's reimagining this Brigham Young Cougars poster. All the athletes are desaturated, obviously, and she created something pretty similar and yet beautiful, inspired by this original document. So what does this mean? This means that the first thing that you're going to need to do is identify what poster are you guys using. So here is this link that I shared with you, and I added a few, including this one, which I think is pretty cool. Spend a few minutes, really analyzing which document you think will make, or which visual you think will make the best project. And I saw one earlier that you guys should consider. So this baseball poster is appropriate. You might want to think about downloading brushes from Brusheezy, and then there's a lot of room for growth with this one. So even though it's football, that doesn't matter. What we're looking for is artistically, what techniques can we pull from? How can we get inspiration for something like this? So I can see that basically everything's desaturated except for the red. Maybe you guys want to download posters, I'm sorry, PNGs of all the athletes with green jerseys and desaturate everything else. So here we've got uh, version of Eli. So you can maybe download that and then desaturate his skin, the ball, his socks, maybe brighten up that green a little bit to create something that looks like this, along with maybe four of Eli's buddies. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see your work. You're going to throw in the logo, you're going to throw in the schedule. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen.